honey. Hi. What you got? Did you find already?
Yeah. This one.
Which one?
This.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah, I think.
Okay. How about Alexa? Can you find for Alexa?
I bet. Me not bet.
Look at there. Hi everyone. For today's video is nandito kami ngayon sa... Where are we now?
Abu Dhabi Mall.
Abu Dhabi Mall. Ayan. Nagde-date muna kaming tatlo. Kasi si Sherlo nasa... Where's daddy ate?
Switzerland.
Si Sherlo, si Sherlo. Anyway, kasama sana kami kaso yung visa namin is hindi na approve. So, si Sherlo muna. Trabaho naman yung punta niya doon. Trabaho siya doon for 2 weeks. Hi, honey.
Hi.
Where's Alexa? She's there.
This is a good one.
Hi. Hi. Which one do you like? Wala ka pang nahanap? Wala pa?
Do I see?
Wala ba siya nahanap?
Plus toolkit?
Yeah.
I think she wants to be a handyman. Or should I say handy girl?
Can you dance, Alexa? Can you dance? Can you dance? Dance.
Oh, wait. Ow.
What happened? What happened? Can you dance, Alexa? Dance. Dance. If you want to dance, I will buy for you. Look, Alexa. Ate, look. You want to dance? Very good, baby. Ayan, guys. Si Ari kasi nag-aya mag-date. Kaya nabuboard na siya sa bahay. Ayan. Kumain na pala kami kanina. Ayan, nag-lunch kami dito. Kumain kami doon sa food court. Hi!
Hi.
Let's go to the other side na muna. Hello. Ate, you also... Leave it, Ate. It's okay.
Okay.
Come, let's go there. Let's go. How about you, Alexa? Which one do you like? Which one do you like? That's for boys. Ate, look. She want to buy for boys.
That's my voice. You know, I think she's turning out to be a boy.
Okay, hanap muna tayo ng kay Alexa. Dali, ate.
Donation.
You want a dress?
Yeah.
Okay. Come, let's buy for Alexa first.
I'm okay.
Let's buy for Alexa first.
Okay, but you need to keep going.
Come, Alexa. Ano ba yung mga pinipili mo pang lalaki?
That's for young people. That's for young boys.
Oh, I know for Alexa now.
What is it? This one?
No, not now. Come, love ko, come.
Which one?
Can you help me find for Alexa?
Is that one?
We have it. We have that one.
How about this?
Come, I'll find out for Alexa. Come, honey. Come.
Bye, honey.
Bye, ate.
Honey. Honey.
Okay, wait lang. Ayan, nakahanap na siya. Do you like it? Do you like it?